Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it's at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. Successful people are not people without problems. They are people who have learned to solve their problems. Control your thoughts. Decide about that which you will think and concentrate upon. You are in charge of your life to the degree you take charge of your thoughts. Don't take the attitude of waiting for people to be nice to you. Be nice to them. Don't sit in front of a cold stove waiting for the heat. Put in the fuel. Act first. The picture you have of yourself, your self-esteem, will have a profound effect on the way you see the world and the way your world sees you. If the average person realized the power he wields over his life and destiny, he would live in a perpetual state of wonder and thanksgiving. Don't concern yourself too much with how you are going to achieve your goal. Leave that completely to a power greater than yourself. All you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord and at the right time. Goals reflect your choice of destination. You are responsible for how your life turns out, and your attitude shapes that life for better or worse. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. A single thought can revolutionize your life as it did mine. A single thought can make you rich, or it can land you in prison for the rest of your life. A success is anyone who is doing deliberately a predetermined job, because that's what he decided to do deliberately, but only 1 out of 20 does that. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. A great attitude is not the result of success. Success is the result of a great attitude. Visualization is the human being's vehicle to the future, good, bad, or indifferent. It's strictly in our control. Always keep that happy attitude. Pretend that you are holding a beautiful, fragrant bouquet. Don't catch the bad and infectious attitudes of others. Most people tiptoe their way through life, hoping they make it safely to death. We become what we think about. Achievement requires more than a vision. It takes courage, resolve, and tenacity. All you have got to do is plant that seed in your mind, care for it, work steadily toward your goal, and it will become a reality. Don't catch the bad and infectious attitudes of others. Dream what you dare to dream. Go where you want to go. Be what you want to be. Luck is when preparedness meets opportunity. We can help others in the world more by making the most of yourself than in any other way. If your attitude toward the world is good, you will obtain good results. If your attitude is excellent, excellent will your results. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. What happens inside always appears outside. Success is not the result of making money. Earning money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service. Self-pity is an acid which eats holes in happiness. Whenever we're afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. Most people think they want more money than they really do, and they settle for a lot less than they could get. We must radiate success before it will come to us. We must first become mentally, from an attitude standpoint, the people we wish to become. We've got to be of service first, before we can expect money. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. Everything that's really worthwhile in life comes to us free. Our minds, our souls, our bodies, our hopes, our dreams, our intelligence, our love of family and friends and country. All of these priceless possessions are free. By being persistent, you're demonstrating faith. Persistence is simply another word for faith. If you didn't have faith, you'd never persist. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. Never compete, create. We are all creatures of habit. We can do most things without even thinking about them. Our bodies take charge and do them for us. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Ask yourself every morning, how can I increase my service today? Each of us creates his or her own life largely by our attitude. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. The only person who succeeds is the person who is progressively realizing a worthy ideal. That's the person who says, I'm going to become this, and then begins to work toward that goal.